Hi guys, I'm Amanda Russell with Valeo Fit, and I am here to talk to you today about back and shoulder pain and posture. Two exercises that can help all of that, and they kind of as you're trying, right? All you need are our stretch bands, which come in a pack of 3, light, medium, and heavy. But here are the 2 exercises. Everybody should have them, and this is also a really great for your posture. So people sometimes, women complain about like always having the pooch and whatever, their belly pooch. A lot of times it's really your posture. So when your shoulders are back, your chest is open, all of a sudden everything is holds a little better straight up and down. And you just look taller and more confident and more beautiful. So this is also great for your posture. So the first one is just to hold a stretch band in both hands, and you're just going to, and your elbows are at their sides, and you're going to open up the hands. So your hands are going to the back, so out. So stretching that band out as far as it'll go. As you can see, you almost feel like if there was a pen in your between your shoulder blades, you're trying to squeeze your shoulder blades back and together, squeezing the shoulder blades. And you work, I started with like 8 to 10 and work up to like 20, even 30 a day. Even these are great to keep at your desk and just, you know, take a little break and just work on that, reverse that slumped posture. The next exercise is you're going to take that stretch band, you can fold it in 2 if you'd like. I'm not going to because this will make it too heavy, and you're just going to, so let the stretch band hang in one hand and then grab it in the other and pull down. Pull down. So as you feel it pulling, it's also a good tricep toner. You just want to pull and straight and bend. Nice. And again, on the switch stand, so hold that band at the top, let it hang, and reach around, grab the band, and stretch. As I said, this is a great physical therapy activity. It's good for toning, and it's excellent for posture. So the secret to great posture, he told me, was this exercise and this exercise. So those are the 2 exercises that are excellent for posture, for back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain. Guys, if there's anything you do once a day, try it. So head over to ValeoFit.com to get your stretch bands and check out all of our other fitness equipment and workout videos and our entire community over at ValeoFit.com. And leave us a comment below, and we'll see you back here next time.